Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about Algor Mortis. Algor Mortis refers to the cooling of body after death. Now let us see about some key points regarding Algor Mortis. For 1 hour after death, the rectal temperature doesn't fall. The curve of cooling after death is sigmoid. Body heat is lost by conduction, convection and radiation. A small fraction of heat is also lost by evaporation of fluid from skin. In serious illness, circulation begins to fail before death and hands and feet become cooler, which gradually extends towards trunk. For measuring body temperature, lab thermometer is inserted 8 to 10 cm into rectum for 2 minutes. Other sites where temperature can be measured include under the liver through small midline opening, into nose up to the cribriform plate, and in the ear through the tympanic membrane. Some other key points include marked rise in temperature occurs in case of fat or air embolism, infections, heat stroke, spontaneous hemorrhage, exercise, or struggle before death. Low temperature occurs in cases of collapse, congestive heart failure, massive hemorrhage, and secondary shock. It is also important to remember that during sleep, rectal temperature is 1 degree Celsius lower. In tropical climates, heat loss occurs at the rate of 0.4 degree Celsius to 0.6 degree Celsius per hour. Normally, rectal temperature reaches environmental temperature in 20 hours. The time since death can be calculated using the formula time in hours of death is equal to normal body temperature minus rectal temperature divided by rate of temperature fall per hour. Now let us see about the factors affecting Algor Mortis. Difference in temperature between the body and medium. Build of cadaver. For example, children and old people cool rapidly. Physique of cadaver. For example, fat bodies cool slowly. Environment of body. Cooling is rapid in well-ventilated room, humid atmosphere, and body immersed in cold water and buried in earth. Whereas cooling is low when body is clothed. Now let us see about the medico-legal importance of Algor Mortis. It is helpful in estimation of time of death in cold and temperate climates and not in tropical countries. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my playlists. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.